Hey besties, in today's video I'll share with you 7 money making businesses that you can do from the comfort of your home. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Guys, you already know by now I am rooting for you. I have been broke before. In case it's hard to believe, I have. I know what it feels like not to have money in your bank accounts. I've been there. I don't ever want to be in that place again. If you know, and I'm going to be sharing with you tips, tricks, and strategies that helped me move myself out of a place of lack to a place of abundance. If this is something you're interested in, just keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new here, by all means, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. Please watch your steps and take a seat. I want to know you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know in the comments so I can say a big thank you to whoever sent my videos to you. And to all of my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you for your massive love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. And to all of my Patreon members, thank you. If you'd like to join my Patreon membership, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon membership is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, how to make money online, and everything in between. Without further ado, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Yes, on this channel I drop 3 videos every week, but make it a day to join. Tune into this channel every single day because there's always something new that I'll be sharing with you guys right on this channel. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into business. Come with me. Let's go.
Mariam A.
I know that many people want to make money online because of its many benefits and relatively low barrier to entry. Yes, today I'll be sharing 7 money-making businesses that you can do from the comfort of your home and the exact websites that will make you money. Yes, you can make up to $8,000 in a month. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I know most online money-making methods only require a computer or mobile device or a solid internet connection. Now, these methods actually let you conduct businesses on your own schedule and from anywhere. And you can make money while traveling the world or from the comfort of your home. If you're not sure which online money making method is for you, I am here to help you. The first one on my list is for you to start a travel consulting business. Yes. Now, here are the prerequisites. These are things that you need to get in place or put in place before you can start the travel consultancy business. So guys, you need a computer or mobile device. Yes. Travel experience and of course extensive knowledge of chosen destinations. It is actually best for well-traveled individuals if you have traveled a lot and if you're also knowledgeable about, the locales in a particular country. Yes, you can make from $3,700 to about $8,000 in a month. In fact, I have a friend who makes her gross income in a year is about 2 million. I hope. Okay, well, I didn't mention her name, so she makes about $2 million in a year. Yeah. So yes, and she's a travel consultant. So yes, you can make good money from travel. So guys, if you enjoy traveling, why not? You can monetize your passion by working as a travel consultant. You can design trip itineraries and share your favorite spots and destinations all while working remotely, yes, with a flexible schedule. Make sure that you take advantage of useful travel management software to create the best travel experiences for your customers. And you can broaden your knowledge by taking courses on hospitality, tourism, and foreign languages to become a better travel consultant. Don't forget to do proper research to provide customers with essential information like the pricing, weather, the customs, accommodation, and means of travel. Ask questions to get to know your customers better so that you can tailor the trip to their specifications, to their need. You can, it's a bespoke packaging, like, bespoke business, right? And the next one on my list here is to offer graphic design services. Yes, the prerequisite is having a computer or mobile device, graphic design skills, of course, and the software. It is best for people who are passionate about digital arts and design. Potential income is about $2,300 to $6,400 in a month. Yes. Do you know that becoming a graphic designer is an excellent way to make money online for creatives that are passionate about art and design? You can become a graphic designer and you have to use design softwares like Adobe Photoshop and Affinity Designer to create your work. And you can produce designs for marketing materials like logos, like posters and ads, advertisements. So first of all, Graphic designers will meet with clients to discuss the desired design. After creating the design according to the customer's request, they will typically request feedback to see if additional revisions are necessary. So when you create a design for your clients, they can review and let you know whether they need a few adjustments or corrections. That is called revisions. Yes. And a case in point is my logo. I have a logo for my brand. I'll try to put it on the screen. Now, I hired someone to create my logo for me virtually, and she did a great job for me. Fantastic job at that. In fact, there was I did a couple of revisions before we eventually settled for that, and she did a fantastic job. Trust me. So you can become a graphic, and I paid her good money for it. So yes, you can become a graphic designer, and of course revisions are allowed. If you allow for revisions, you're likely to get more clients. But if you don't allow people to make corrections and tell you this is what they want, then you might not get lots and lots of clients, as it were. So guys, if you are interested in this money making method, make sure that you check out some of the best websites for finding graphic design jobs. Yes, in fact, I'm going to share some of them with you. The first one here is Dribbble. Yes. Do you know that you can promote your artwork and connect with fellow designers and work with clients through various freelance projects or opportunities listed on its job board? The next one on my list here is 99 Designs. Yes. Do you know you can earn money by working directly with clients worldwide or entering a design contest? Yes, so work as a freelance graphic designer and provide clients with designs for almost any product, from websites to book covers, and the list is endless. The next one on my list here is for you to develop websites for a living. Guys, I paid a fortune for my websites to be designed. I am telling you. So you can become a website designer. If this is something that you are highly proficient in, go ahead and become a website designer. You can make good money from designing websites. Yeah, like I said, you can develop websites for a living, and here are the prerequisites. You'll need a computer, web development skills and software. Yes, it is actually best for people that are interested in programming and web development. The potential income is about $3,500 to $9,000 in a month. Now, the average base salary of a freelance web developer is around $82,000 in a month. Moreover, the employment of digital designers and web designers is projected to also grow, yes, by 23% between 2021 and 2031. Because of the high demand for these jobs, now is a great time to jump into the industry. Now, the first step of becoming a web developer is to choose a web development specialization, because when you do this, it's going to save you time, money, and energy, and it will help you stand out among competitors. Now, after choosing a specialization to pursue, learn how to code. There are plenty of websites and courses that can help you get started. Yes, so guys, yeah, so let me share a few of these websites and courses that you can take to become a fantastic, to make money online as a graphic designer. The first one is Beats Degree. Yes, they offer beginner and advanced courses, and as well as scholarship opportunities. The next one here is Coursera. They partnered with over 200 universities and companies to provide certified courses and specializations. The next one here is Code Academy. Yes, it's perfect for beginners who want short and interactive courses to complete in a few hours. And if you want to join the web development business, consider participating in a coding bootcamp like Flatiron School to enhance career advancement opportunities. Guys, I have more and more ways by which you can make money this year. Yes, so, and yes, I'm going to be stopping here for now, and I'll continue with because I don't want these videos to be too long. I mean, if you don't mind my videos getting to as long as 20 minutes, let me know in the comments. And that is it for today, guys. I mean, making money is online. Making money these days is actually easy if you know where to look. It's like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And that takes us to the end of today's video. If you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comments. Like I said, this is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. Feel free to ask your questions, and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And that is it for today, guys. Making money online is easy. You just need to know where to look. Please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel in case you're not. Subscribe here if you want to make money this year. Yes, so turn on notification bells so that I get notified every single time that I drop a new video. And that is it for today, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and good to expect. And I will see you in my next video. Ciao.